Yes, it was me that just kept shooting, but that's because I chose to give the crew a day off. We'd undergone a very dramatic, a very emotional event, and I felt that they needed time to heal.
You then went on a wine tasting.
Research.
A research wine tasting.
Research.
I wanted just to get them away from the grief and the stress they were all feeling, just show them a good time and, you know, show them how the other half tastes.
We were just researching.
Okay, so I'll walk you through the tasting, but just don't say anything embarrassing, okay? Just don't talk at all.
Isn't that the fun though, to find out about the wine?
Yeah, we can't look like amateurs, all right? Otherwise we won't get to meet the winemaker.
We could meet the winemaker?
Well, I could.
Hi, guys.
How you doing?
Good, good. So shall we start with the whites and move through to the reds?
That's certainly a good plan for these two, but I think I'll skip the tasting wines and move straight to the good stuff.
Which one are you referring to?
The 171.
Okay, so the deal with 171 is that we actually only open it for VIPs.
I'm a VIP.
Good.
Don't worry.
How's the Riesling girls?
Shit. I'm VIPs only.
Okay. Chardonnay?
We just lost our way. I mean, our whole moral compass was off kilter, you know? And it was up to me to find the light. To guide the rest of the crew to the light. I mean, not the light that Herb went to, of course, because then we'd all be dead, but a different kind of light. A song. What better way to honour him than through the magic of music?
You know, it's very hard to line up these interviews with these winemakers. They can be really difficult. And I saw no reason to throw the baby out with the bathwater.
Sorry, I just can't get this focus to work, Steve.
Mate, on the phone, you said you're a professional.
Yeah, no, we are. We're a professional TV show. I've just never used this camera before.
Didn't you have, like, a cameraman and crew and stuff?
No, we like to keep the show really lean, you know? Shoot it lean, cut it lean. I shoot like this all the time, you know?
Oh, mate, it's been 25 minutes already. I gotta get going, mate. I've got picking.
Seriously, can't give me another 10 minutes?
Nah, mate.
Well, can I call you then?
No.
You come back later today, maybe?
Fucking amateurs.
No?
And you continued to use Mr. Gardner's equipment and his car. This correct?
The camera gear?
Yeah. Where did you go then? We just need to account for where you were the rest of the day.
I hit the VIP trail. I got a bit of celebrity and it opens doors. I saw this as a bit of an opportunity to hang out with the who's who of Coonawarra.
There, just that, thanks. Holic Wines, they're the one that have a good restaurant, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I've heard they're pretty good.
Yep.
You go there a bit, I expect. Yeah, you like it?
Yep.
And what would you recommend on the menu? What's your favourite dish?
4-point lamb rack with the quinoa, almond and salsa verde.
Good choice. Can I just, though, very quickly use your bathroom? Is that all right?
Just round the back. Oh, mind the door. It's a bit funny.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello? Help! I'm in the loo! What?
There we go. It smells like berries. Is it blackberry?
Yeah, that's a really typical characteristic to come out of a Cabernet Sauvignon.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
What's happening in there?
Ah, that's the winemaker's luncheon.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, they get together, they have a bit of a chat about Coonawarra, have a bite to eat, and obviously a few glasses of wine. Would you ladies like to go inside?
Really?
Absolutely, I can take you in, you can ask a few questions, meet the winemakers.
Yeah.
Josh, can you please tell me where you were at that time?
I was where I needed to be.
Which was?
Yeah. You know.
You were a crazy, crazy bird.
It was called Herb, you were a crazy bird. It kind of was. Yeah, I've always had a yearning for music. No one's really ever wanted me in their band, but Plonk's falling apart. Can't you help out? Just do some sort of miracle. Bring Herb back to life. It doesn't need to be forever, just for a day. I mean, you put the curse on Chris, which I understand. Okay, he deserved it, but Nathan's all... I don't need to tell you. Plonk's the only family I've got. Apart from my actual family, but, you know.
That's a bit noisy in here.
Sorry.
Were you talking to the mannequin?
No.
Okay, then just keep it down.
Okay, seriously, Mary, we're running out of time. I need a sign. I need to know that you've got this something beautiful. So...
So how many winemakers are at this table? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're all 5 winemakers.
Wow.
Guys, let's take a selfie. Cheers.
Cheers.
Celebrity stuck in bathroom.
And all winemakers is friendly?
Can you hear me?
Well, here's to good wine.
Hello?
Come on, Chris. Pick up. Oh, come on. Oh, are you kidding? Oh, God. Okay, Josh. What are you doing?
Hail, bathroom sticker Mary, who art in Coonawarra, hallowed be thy name.
Oh, Christ. Oh, fuck.
Give me release from this wretched curse, and forgive me my trespasses, etc., etc., etc. Lead me not into temptation, but deliver me.
Bathroom.
Round the back.
Oh, God.
From this stupid toilet.
Coming through! Amen!
So as far as you're concerned, you did everything you possibly could.
Everything.
Nathan says the thing to remember is that Herb was very old.
Okay.
Look, it was the curse, all right? Pure and simple. Done. Your job's done. Just tick the curse insurance box and, you know, done.
I mean, I think technically too, Herb was a freelancer, so he probably wouldn't come in under our insurance, would he?
I didn't know Herb very well. I don't have any funny stories or witty anecdotes, but I do know that he wouldn't want me to sugarcoat it. Wouldn't want me to be wishy-washy. So, Herb,
Who gave you permission to cremate Mr. Garden?
Permission.
I'm sure it would have been one of his wishes.
Because the family are requesting Mr. Gunn's remains. They have a ceremony planned. He was in the Navy. He's going to be scattered out to sea.
Yeah, beautiful. I mean, that's lovely, isn't it? What a nice way to honour somebody.
Mr. Gunn's remains. Do you know where they are?
We didn't scatter. No, we didn't scatter them. I mean, we sort of metaphorically scattered them, but Jen's got them.
Jen takes care of all that stuff, I think.
Definitely Jen Wong.
They said what?